Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Pilot oil life. Start by turning your Honda Pilot's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the Select/Reset button on your dashboard, typically near the instrument cluster. Press this button repeatedly to cycle through the various display modes. Continue pressing until you see the engine oil life percentage displayed on your screen. This initial step is crucial for accessing the reset function. With the oil life percentage now visible, press and hold the Select/Reset button. You will need to keep the button pressed for about 10 seconds. After this duration, you will notice the oil life display on your dashboard begin to blink. This blinking signifies that the system is ready to be reset and you have successfully entered the confirmation mode. Once the oil life display starts blinking, release the Select/Reset button. Immediately after releasing, press and hold the same button again. This time, hold it for approximately 5 seconds. You will then observe the oil life display change to 100%, confirming that the reset process is complete. This indicates your vehicle's maintenance minder system has been updated. After the oil life resets to 100%, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. Then, start the engine as you normally would. Double-check the dashboard display to ensure the oil life now reads 100%. This final verification confirms the successful reset of your Honda Pilot's oil life monitor, ensuring accurate tracking for your next oil change.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.